Good morning, everyone. You're watching Rocket 69, and I know it's been since I have vlogged almost 2-3 weeks. So today we are going to Mahabalipuram for a breakfast ride. Probably two other people are joining us, new people, not from my group. One is having a Gen 3 Duke 390, another one is having a Pulsar NS400Z. So yep, all 400cc segment bikes today going for a ride. Waiting for the other guy, the other 390 guy. Endless 360 guy. So here he is after like 10 minutes. I've been waiting. Yeah, let's go. So why is that? That's black. Let's try to catch the new gen. Can we catch it? Damn, the new one is more powerful. We are at Kovalam. You can say this is the Kovalam place, the toll, and there's this guy over here. I'm going to rev bomb inside that. I guess I'm not gonna get the corner over here. Yeah, I won't be getting the corner. So many people on motorcycle today. Oh, it's a lie. I got little late
No worries.
because of him.
You saw that?
Huh?
There was a Hayabusa here.
Yeah. Come, let's roll.
You go. Where's the other guy? He went to
Oh God! Nothing is visible. Bloody foggy. They are sending it. Really, really foggy. And that's the beach, boys and girls. I know there are some girls who watch me. You can say hi in the comment section down below. So yeah, this is the space. I mean the place where me and my boys come usually. Took these guys here. So yep. I have no idea what is the name of this beach, but this is like our spots, our groups thing. And they're meeting just right now after a ride. So that's the thing with boys. We just ride. Oh damn. The pulsar sounds good. Damn, it sounds really good.
Huh?
It sounds good.
That's why. People say that all the time.
Yeah.
I don't know if it really sounds good from the third person perspective. Yeah.
This is mine.
It's the same, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Alright, we are going to chill here for a while. I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah guys, today this is a surprise. He just came out of nowhere. We didn't even expect him to come. So his Nitrous Monkey is here. He is here. He is here. So yeah, now we all four are here. We enjoyed the beach. We talked something about bikes. So today lineup is all about the 400cc's, the 390, 390, 390. His cousin over there. So yeah, that's it. And now we're going to go have some breakfast. So Joshua,
Yo,
how was it today's ride?
it was fun, bro.
It was fun?
Yeah.
Alright. So as I said, Joshua's ID will be here. You can say go follow him. He's cool. So he's basically new into biking scene. And guess what? His 400 is his first bike. Dude, why did you get a 400 as a first bike?
Just had to, bro. Just had to.
Alright guys, I'll catch you guys when we are in the restaurant. So yeah boys, we are at A to B, Ananda Bhavan. And this is what we are eating today. Sambar vada, masala dosa and the chutneys and the water bottle. So that's it. Daddy. And that is Nitrous Monkey. And that is Joshua over there. And there was the endless 390 over there. So yeah, we'll enjoy our breakfast and we'll see you guys in a while on the road. Chup kar. And then I'll end the video. I'm pretty sure you guys would want to see a top end run. So as soon as I hit the ORR, I'll launch it. So thanks for watching Sprocket 69. I'll catch you guys next time in the next video.